Hi, my name is Terry. I'd like to share my experience with David Saperstein and Solomon. I came to the knowledge of the office about maybe 3 years ago with a person that I was having physical therapy with, and they suggested that I went to the, also use the firm. They were very expedient. When I called them, they called me back immediately. Someone took my case immediately. There was no time for any second thoughts about I was at the right place because they were there. Also, I like to say that they never forget any holidays. They never forget my birthday. They never forget anything that's any special holiday. There's always a card for them. They individually let you know that they think about you, all the time. So I really appreciate that. Also, I would like to say that the customer service here is impeccable. You can't find a more friendlier firm to go to. Always ask, could anything I could want, coffee, the ladies' room, anything I asked for, they were always there for me. So I would definitely recommend this firm for any situation that you may have that's dealing with an accident. If you just want to go to them for consulting, they're excellent. And I would like to thank the firm also because they were there when it was like a really tough time in my life. And they kept me, up and going. They kept me, also let me know what was going on with my case at all time. I never had to call to say what's going on. They were there. It was like they knew. They would pick up the phone and say, this is going on, this is going on. I was never left out on any decisions. So with that, I'd like to say thank you so much for keeping me involved with my own case, that sometimes firms don't include you. They make all your decisions. Not with this firm. You're definitely in the know what's going on with you, and I appreciate that.